And that's where we meet our guy, Ganki.
I'll never get used to you doing that.
Hey, look, check it. Christmas present from Spider-Man.
Open it.
And guess where I'm gonna open our new suit.
Dude, put it on. I'll cover you.
So we're gonna have a suit.
What? Never seen a guy change clothes in Central Park?
Okay. How's it looking?
Okay, nice. Not what I definitely expected.
Whoa.
It's okay. Okay, a gift from Peter.
Miles Morales, congratulations and welcome to your very first super suit.
When we get new suits, we're gonna come here.
Part 2 of this amazing gift.
Okay, we have the black one too. Okay, I'm gonna read the one that we were given now.
This is only half of the present.
What's the other half?
I'll let you know.